Okay, so we'll go ahead and pop the mirror off using these trim removal tools. Just get it behind it and pull out. Okay, well, it already fell out. So now we got to remove the heating wires. And there we go. It's just a little circle portion that clips in here. Okay, next we're going to pop out the little tabs that are for the front cover piece. There's 4 of them, and they're just push tabs. It's getting caught on the foam piece. There we go. Okay, so now we'll take off the foam that is on the front of the mirror. This is what the mirror cover was getting caught on. I think this is just held on by little dabs of glue on the top here. There we go. Okay, so the next step is to take out the 4 screws that hold the trim to the mirror. Just a simple Phillips head. Okay, so now we're ready to take the trim piece off. You can see it's quite loose here. The tricky part is that it connects to a separate housing piece, a smaller one here. If you've ever removed your rear view mirror, the trim piece around that is very similar to this. Additionally, there's a little tab at the bottom at the rear of the trim piece that hold the 2 pieces together. Pop that off. Okay, so I loosened the tab on here that holds the 2 trim pieces together. So now we just gotta pull them apart right here. And that comes out. And this piece is a little trickier. I just kind of move the mirror around until I'm able to get it somewhere and you can pop it off. There we go. Okay, so before we use the trim restore, I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a light cleaning here with my wife's toothbrush. Okay, so I'll apply a little bit to my wife's sock and then go ahead and just cover all the surfaces of the trim. Okay, so we'll let it sit for a couple minutes and then we'll wipe off any excess. And that's it. I forgot to take a before and after shot, but once again I was able to use something from my wife. So I hope you guys find this video helpful for working on your mirror trim.